What's up guys, Mr. Realistic here. I'm gonna bring you a review today and I'm gonna show you a program called DroidAdmin. It's basically a program kind of like FireDL, but you can create your own configurations and upload your own APKs and do it all on your own. So the tools that you will need to to start this, you'll need a Dropbox account. So if you don't have Dropbox, you'll need to set up a Dropbox account. I believe most of you will have a Dropbox. If you don't, sign up for one. And the next thing you want to do is you want to create a folder. Um, I created mine DroidAdmin on my desktop, and it has all my APKs and stuff in it, and everything that I want to upload to my Dropbox I have in there, and anything that I want to send to my DroidAdmin configuration I put in here. So anyway, I'll get right into it and I'll show you guys what you need to do. So first thing will be to come to the DroidAdmin website, and that's droidadmin.com, and it'll say the #1 bulk downloader tool for all your Android devices. You'll be presented with this page. The first thing you want to do is you want to download the DroidAdmin APK for your devices. So whatever device you want to have DroidAdmin on to install the APKs that you have in your configuration, you're going to want to download that APK and install it on your device. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to. So I'm just going to move on, but you're going to want to download and then install it on whatever device or devices you plan on using your DroidAdmin configuration on, or whatever. So you can scroll down, you can read why DroidAdmin. It's free, fast, and easy. You can read up on the description, you can read how it works, you can even watch a small video tutorial. But you can do that on your own. I'm just going to show you basically how to get started here. So you'll need to create, you'll come down here to create code after you've downloaded the APK. So I gotta block this out for a second so it doesn't show you guys my details. So I'll hit create code, and you guys will be presented with this screen right here, and it should say login or sign up, one or the other. So once you've filled out all your details, your name, your email address, password, you got to confirm it, and your CAPTCHA, and you'll hit register, and then you should, there might be an activation email. I can't remember if I had to do that. If there is, you might have to check your email and activate your account, but then you'll hit login. And I gotta block this out again for a second, guys. Can't show you my details. So after you log in, you'll be presented with your DroidAdmin page, and this is where you have all your configurations. So as you can see, I already have my first configuration here, and I'm just gonna, before I get into the video, I'll show you my configuration, and you're welcome to use this if you want. My code is 273182238, and this is the name of my configuration. Is just popular APKs. It's got 28 files. So I'll want to go into manage files, and it'll show me all the APKs I have in here. I have Showbox, Swift Streams, Titanium Kodi Fork. I got Snappy Streams, Mob Drill, FreeFlix, Terrarium TV, basically all your popular ones. I got the Plex modified app, so you don't have to purchase it in the Google Play Store for $5. I got the Ookla Speed Test. I got a few app stores in here, like APK Pure, where you can download all your other apps if you want, modified apps. I got the TeamViewer Quick Sport and TeamViewer Host, IPTV Core. I got Terrarium TV ad-free and the Yes Player ad-free. If you use the Terrarium TV ad-free, you're going to want to use the Yes Player ad-free as well. So these two will go together. I'm not too sure how long I'll keep these in here because I use the official version and support the developers. I just kind of threw this in there because a couple people wanted it, so I did them a favor. So I can't guarantee these will be in here for long, so if you want them, get them while you can. I got MX Player Pro, I got the Kodi Official 17.6 Krypton, I got the Spring Builds Media Center, Kodi Fork, Send Anywhere File Transfer, and this is a must for all your Android devices. Install it on your cell phone, install it on your box, tell your friends to install it on your desktop computer. You can just send files wherever. You can send APKs, you can send whatever files. So that's a great application. I think that's a must for everyone. I got the Vader's IPTV APK. Obviously, you need a subscription with Vader's. I got the another Plex modified app. So if the other one for some reason isn't working or giving you troubles, I can guarantee you this one will. I got LiveNet TV, UK TV Now, the Fire Stick TV and Android box version. I got the Aptoid App Store. I got the Aptoid TV App Store, the APK Time, and AC Market. These are the other app stores I was talking about where you can grab all your other APKs and you can get modified APKs from APK Time, I believe, ad-free ones and stuff like that. And I got the new Morpheus TV. It's all updated. I put all the version numbers in here. I usually check it once or twice a week to make sure I got all the recent versions, unless I click on Terrarium and I notice there's an update out, then I'll go ahead that day and update it. So, but if you already have it installed once, it will auto-update for you, so there's really no need to come back in here and keep doing it every update, because once you install it once, it will auto-update for you because they are the official versions. But some will not, like Send Anywhere doesn't auto-update, I don't believe. MX Player doesn't. There's just a few that don't auto-update. I don't believe or AC Market auto-updates. So anyway, this is my first configuration, and you guys are welcome to it. So I will be adding more. There's 28 in here so far, 28 APKs. I will be adding more as time goes. So anyway, for now, you're welcome to it. That's my code. So without further ado, we'll get right into it, and I'll show you guys how to create your first configuration. So when you get to this page, you won't have a configuration. It'll just say create new configuration. So that's what you're going to want to do, is hit that. And you're going to want to give your configuration a name. So I already have one named Popular APKs, so I'm just going to do APKs. Just for the purposes of this video, and try to make it as quick as possible. So I'll do Popular APKs as my description, sorry. And you can do a message, a custom message, so you can activate that and give your message a title and the text of your message. So you know, you could go, welcome to my DroidAdmin, you know, sorry about that, typing too fast here, but you get it anyway. And then you enter the text and you can say whatever you want. So I'm not going to do that for now. So we got the name of our configuration and we got the description. So like I say, you can add a custom message, but I'm not going to for this video. So we'll hit save. And as you can see, there's no files in here right now in this configuration. So what you'll want to do is create your files. And like I say, you need a Dropbox account. And for the purposes of this video, I don't have TTV in my other configuration, so I will do TTV for this one. So we'll name it TTV, and you want to go to the source URL, which will be TTV. I think, yeah, you'll end up with this page here, and you'll go to download, and you'll go down to your Android, and you'll get your APK, and then whatever you'll have to navigate to your folder wherever you have all your APKs and your logos, and you'll hit save, and that'll save the APK into your folder. And then you want to also get a logo, so you just type TTV again into the top into your Google search or whatever, and then go to images, and then just grab a logo. So you'll obviously right click it and hit save as, save image as, and also save that as well. Now this is the same DroidAdmin folder, it's just a different type of file, so it's not showing the APKs. It's just showing my logos this time instead of the APKs. So we'll hit save, but they will be in the same folder. And I'm going to exit out of that, and I'm going to go right back here to the home screen. TTV. Okay. So from here, we can give our TTV, once you go back into your DroidAdmin, you can give it a description. I usually grab the main description from the website just to make it, kind of look more professional. As you can see, it's optional. You don't have to put one in there, but I do. So then you'll want to do your file URL. Now that's for your APK. So this is where you'll want to go into your Dropbox, and this is where you'll start needing to upload your APKs and your logos. Because as you can see in your DroidAdmin, there's one for your APK, which is your file URL, and there's one for your logo, and that's for obviously the logo for your APK. So you'll go into your Dropbox, you'll hit upload files. It should bring up your DroidAdmin folder. If it doesn't, navigate to wherever you have it, and then you want to select both your TTV logo and your TTV APK, and you want to hit open, and we'll give that a second upload. Sorry, 10 seconds. Okay, as you can see, it's uploaded 2 files. If I scroll down here they both are. So you'll go back in your DroidAdmin, you see you got the file URL. That's for your APK. So you'll hit share, and as you can see, there's no link created yet. You'll want to create a link. You might have to hit it a few times, 2 times, and you'll hit copy. And then you'll come back into your DroidAdmin, and you'll paste that into your file URL. Now that's for your APK. And this is the most important step. You have to delete that 0 and put a 1 to be able to make it available to download for other people. And you do the same for your logo. So you'll exit there. I usually unhighlight the APK because I just uploaded that in my DroidAdmin. So you'll come down here to your TTV logo, and you'll do the same. You'll hit share, you'll create a link, and I hit it once, and as you can see, it says anyone with the link can view this file. You'll copy that link. I usually hit copy again, and then you'll go back into your DroidAdmin folder, and you'll paste your logo URL right here. And most important step again, delete that 0, put a 1. And if you want, you can also add a version number. So I don't know what version it was. I'll have to go back into my Dropbox here and take a look. 5.9. So I always give them a version number, just so they know what version it is. Now after you got everything in here and everything looks good, you hit save. And as you can see, you got your first APK uploaded in there. Now I usually go to edit just to make sure these change to a 1 and didn't go back to a 0, and make sure everything's good, and hit save again. And if you want to add a new file, let's just I'll just add a new file that I already have in my DroidAdmin. So let's see, we'll do Vaders IPTV. So Vaders IPTV sub is obviously needed. Okay, I'm not going to give it a version number because I'm just going to do it quick here. As you can see, I already have the Vaders APK and the logo right here. So in your DroidAdmin for the file URL, that's for your APK. You'll hit share, and you'll hit copy link, copy, come back over here to your DroidAdmin, paste that, erase the 0, put a 1, and then you'll come back to your Dropbox, exit out of that. I usually unhighlight the APK just so I already know I've done it, like I said. And then you want to get your URL for your logo. Copy link, copy, go back into DroidAdmin, paste, erase that 0, put a 1. And that's basically how you do it, and then you want to hit save. And now you see you got two configurations here, or two APKs in here in your first configuration. And you can keep adding more if you want. Doesn't matter. You can add as many as you want, as many configurations as you want. After you're done, you want to make sure you hit go back, or else people will not be able to download because you haven't got your code yet. So I will hit go back, and as you can see, this is my new configuration we just created, and it's giving me this code, which is 171605009. It's been entered 0 times. As you can see, this one's been entered 53 times. So that's basically it. And then you'll want to go to, this is the NVIDIA Shield. So this is the DroidAdmin APK. And after you install it, you just click on it. I've already entered my code. No, that's my old code. So I gotta delete that. And for the code that we just created, 171605009. Get rid of that. And I'll hit continue. And there you go. You got TTV and Vaders IPTV. Now if you want to download, it starts to download it just like that. TTV 5.9 download finished. Click it again, and then you can choose to install or cancel. So I'll just hit install for now. Just take a second here, guys. Should have went with something a little smaller. There we go. So there you go. TTV has been installed. You can either open it or hit done. I'm just going to hit done. So it should be installed on the device now. As you can see, I can exit out of there. Oh, sorry, I should go back into it. You can enter a new code if you want. Let's put no. I'm on the shield, so I'll enter. Go back. And there's TTV installed right there. So good to go. Open that up. TTV, we're all good. And installed. Hit the accept. I'm not going to go through all this, so yeah, that's TTV for you. So exit out of that. Get this off my screen, and that's basically how you do it, guys. And you can always add more at a later time. As you can see, you got 2 files in there. If you want to add more, just go to manage files and then keep adding more. Make sure you hit the go back after you're done, or else people won't be able to download, and that's basically how you do it. So that's basically it, guys. I can quickly show you my DroidAdmin if you want with my code. So I just gotta write it down here quick. 273182238. Okay, so I'll go back into here, hit my DroidAdmin, and enter a new code. 273182238. Get that off my screen. Hit continue. And here's my first configuration. So as you can see, you can get it looking real nice, guys. You got all your logos in there, all your descriptions, your version numbers. You can put whatever you want in here. And that's basically it. And like I say, you're free to use my code if you want. It will be keeping it updated. I will be adding more, so that's about it. Exit out of that, and I'm going to delete this configuration because I don't need it anymore. So if you guys want, that's the configuration. You can go ahead and use it. Hope you guys learned something today. If you did, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up on the video if you liked my video. If you have any comments, questions, drop it down in the comments section. Have a good night, guys.